Pregnancy isn't a glow. It's a controlled biological meltdown. One tiny cluster of cells shows up, and the entire body rearranges itself like it just received new software from nature. Bones shift, organs evacuate, hormones scramble the chain of command. It's not peaceful, it's not gentle. It's evolution performing a live experiment inside a human. The immune system, the body's most confusing peace treaty. A few days after conception, the embryo digs into the uterus like it's planting a flag. And technically, the immune system should attack it on sight. Wrong DNA, wrong signature, classified as intruder. Yet instead of declaring war, the immune system pulls a plot twist. It reorganizes itself into two factions. One group is ordered to ignore the fetus, another is assigned to protect it from the first group. It's not immune suppression. It's an uneasy biological truce that wouldn't make sense in any other context. To reinforce the border, the cervix seals itself with a thick antibacterial mucus barrier, a slimy security checkpoint that stays shut until the moment labor begins. Organs start moving, whether they want to or not. As the uterus expands, it doesn't negotiate for space. It shoves everything upward: intestines, stomach, even the diaphragm. To make this possible, hormones like relaxin loosen muscles and ligaments. Great for making room, terrible for digestion. Food moves slower. Constipation becomes common. Stomach acid slips upward like a faulty valve. And morning sickness? That's partly the surge of HCG, a hormone that spikes early and drops bodies to their knees. Breathing gets weirder too. The diaphragm can't fully move because the uterus is claiming all the real estate. So progesterone tells the body, okay, fine, just breathe faster. Many pregnant people end up short of breath even while doing nothing. The blood rewrite you never see. The kidneys suddenly start hoarding water and salt, inflating blood volume dramatically. We're talking over 50% more blood in the system. But here's the kicker. Red blood cells only increase by about half of that. So the blood becomes thinner, more diluted, and the body has to work harder to oxygenate itself. Meanwhile, the fetus is building its own blood supply, stealing iron and nutrients straight from the parent. If the parent feels exhausted, lightheaded, or wiped out, it's not their imagination. The heart steps up like it's in a demanding new job. It beats faster, pushes harder, and navigates a body where major veins are now being compressed by the expanding uterus. Pressure on the inferior vena cava can even cause sudden dizziness when standing too long or lying the wrong way. The pre-birth reset. As labor approaches, the fetus usually drops lower, freeing the diaphragm. Breathing gets easier, but only briefly. When the water breaks, a massive amount of stored fluid exits the body at once. The uterus then begins pulling itself back toward its original size over the next few weeks, a reversal that's just as intense as everything that came before it. The brain, the final strange frontier. The most mysterious changes aren't in the organs you can point to, they're in the brain. Recent imaging shows that pregnancy rewires neural pathways, adjusting emotional centers, sensory processing, and pattern recognition. These aren't side effects. They appear to be biological upgrades for early caregiving, like enhanced sensitivity to facial expressions and emotional cues. But here's the uncomfortable truth. We know far more about fetal development than we do about what pregnancy does to the parent. The science is still catching up. Pregnancy isn't just carrying a baby. It's a complete body remodel, a renegotiation of immunity, a rewrite of the brain, and one of the most dramatic biological feats humans can perform. It's not delicate, it's not subtle. It's one of the wildest natural transformations on Earth. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments what you would like to see next. Thanks for watching Brain Munchies, and remember, keep chewing on facts.